Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bingo Blitz credits. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. After you're inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create your account first. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to buy the Bingo Blitz credits, you need to go to the Bingo Center. Over here, you can see the Bingo Blitz credit icon. Tap on it. It'll open up the Bingo store where you can buy the Bingo Blitz credits. Here you can explore different offers. There are different prices for the different number of Bingo Blitz credits you can purchase. For example, you will get 210 Bingo Blitz credits by spending £12.99, so you can choose your preferred deals. You can buy whichever is favorable for you. Once you are sure of the option that you want to buy, you just need to tap on this price. It will redirect you to add the payment methods. Here you can use your PayPal accounts, your PaySafe card, or your credit or debit card. You can even redeem codes if you have any. So you can select your preferred payment methods. After that, you need to enter your payment details, and you can follow along the process to buy your Bingo Blitz credits. So that's it. That's how you can buy Bingo Blitz credit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.